Welcome back to the Yola tutorials. Now I'm going to teach you the most important trick for building your ePortfolio, and that's adding a signature assignment from a class to a hidden page and then linking to that page from your coursework page. So let's imagine that you're in your American Institutions Political Science 1100 course and your instructor is asking you to upload an assignment to a course page. Well, you have a coursework page with a heading that says Political Science 1100, but you don't have a course page for that course. So what we want to do is we want to add a new page, and we're going to call this American Institutions. And then before we hit OK, we are going to uncheck the display and navigation box because we do not want this page to appear in the navigation of our portfolio. That's why it's called a hidden page. Okay, so we've added the page, but it does not add to the navigation, right? We don't want that to become too messy. But we are on that page. You can see here from the page indicator. Typically, unless the instructor asks you otherwise, you want to do the following for your page. You want to drag in a text box, and you want to type the general education area that you're satisfying plus the course. Okay, and let's do our usual highlight and make it bigger. Alright. Below that, I would drag a column divider with a text box on the left. And here is where you would, I'm going to type this, here is where you would type a short paragraph about the course and about the assignment or assignments that you have uploaded to the ePortfolio. So you might say something about, I was really interested in U.S. government and it was an election year, so I decided to take the course. And for this course, I have uploaded a persuasive essay, something to that effect. It's a little short paragraph there. And on the other side, I think it would be nice if you had a graphic image. Let's upload new image. What do we have? Do we have anything? I don't think I have a good image that would correspond. Let's say I had an image of the U.S. Congress or the Supreme Court or something pertaining to the essay or the course that I was taking. You can get public domain images of these kinds of things that pertain to your course from the internet, and you can upload it there, and that would make your page look a lot nicer than just being blocks of text. Okay, so let's wait a minute to upload this. It always seems to take a little time to upload a photo, and there it goes. So let's pretend that that's a photo of the White House or something. Okay, and then my paragraph would take up this area here. Now, if I have a paper or a spreadsheet or a PowerPoint or something of that nature, I can grab this file widget and drag it down right here and let go, and I can upload a file from my computer. So I have a little hypothetical assignment, PDF, and I would open that and it would upload that file into that space. And it's loading that in there, and there's my file. I really like PDF files because they open quick in your ePortfolio. So if you have a chance to convert it to a PDF, by all means do so. Since you're working with Yola, I would recommend that you not use .docx files. Convert those to .doc files. For some reason, Yola doesn't like the docx files. Same thing would go for the Excel version. Step it down to the older .doc files and you'll be fine. So I've uploaded my file. I've got a description of the course and what I'm uploading here. I've got a photo that pertains to U.S. government. Remember, that's the White House, not Mesa Verde. The next thing to do is that your instructor should ask you to upload some reflection about the assignment or about the course into your portfolio. So we would add another text box down here, and I would call this reflection, and I would bold it and make it bigger. I also like to italicize my reflection. So I'm going to italicize that heading and then another text box below that. And here is where I would paste my reflection. The instructor should ask you give you a prompt to write on. I'm going to italicize that, like all my reflection. That'll make it stand out. Okay, so I'm going to save this page. So I have a course page that I've uploaded my course assignments to. Now I'm going to go back to my coursework page. And I'm going to click in here and I'm going to highlight this whole thing, American Institutions, Political Science 1100. And I'm going to go up to this chain link and I'm going to create a link by linking to a page in my site. I'm going to click on that and then I'm going to point it to that American Institutions page and hit OK. That inserts a hyperlink. Now the hyperlink does not work in the edit mode. You can see that it is because it's blue, but it's not going to be active. Once you publish, however, your site to the web, if you wait a few minutes, 3 or 4 minutes, and then go to your site, you'll see that you have a hyperlink to your American Institutions page. Okay, we'll see you in the next tutorial.